Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change system vibrations in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our vibrations options, we have to go to Settings. Then in Sounds and Vibration, we have System Vibration option. And here we can change system vibration intensity. We can change, for example, we can turn off touch interactions if we don't want our phone to vibrate each time we touch it. Dialing keypad, Samsung keypad, charging vibration, navigation gestures, camera feedback. Every vibration, system vibration, we can change here, turn on or off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.